Hi everyone, welcome to this lesson. Today we are talk about word order in English sentences. Word order in English is very important. English has a strict word order. If you change the order, the sentences can sound wrong or confusion. The basic word order in English is SVO. That means subject, verb, object. Let's look at each part. The subject is who or what does the action. It is usually a noun or a pronoun. The verb is the action. It shows what the subject does. The object is who or what receives the action. So the formula is simple. Subject plus verb plus object. Here are some examples. I read a book. She likes apples. We play football. These are affirmative sentences. They follow the basic SVO order. Now let's talk about negative sentences. Now make a negative sentence. We use an auxiliary verb and not. In the present simple, we use do or does. For example, I do not like coffee. She does not speak French. They are not students. Next, let's look at questions. In questions, the word order changes. The auxiliary verbs comes first. For example, do you like pizza? Does he live here? Is she happy? Now let's add questions words. Question words come at the very beginning. For example, what do you do? Where is he? When did they arrive? Now let's talk about adverbs. Adverbs of time, place, and manner usually go at the end. For example, she sings beautiful in the choir every Sunday. I met my friend at the cafe yesterday. Time words can also go at the beginning for emphasis. For example, yesterday I met my friend at the cafe. Let's finish with some practical tips. Remember the SVO order. Pay attention to auxiliary verbs. Practice building sentences every day. With practice, correct word order will become natural. Thanks for watching and good luck with your studies. See you in the next lesson.